Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn how to set up the Facebook page either for personal or for business. If this is for the business page, you need to set up the personal page first, and I'll show you step by step how to set up this page. This process maybe takes you less than 5 minutes. It's very easy and very fast. The pages you guys seeing right now is the example of the business page. The business pages are totally different with the personal page, and you shouldn't mix them together. Make sure you have your personal page separate and the business page separate as well. Before we start our tutorial today, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel and if you like to get notified by YouTube for my new videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video and you think this video was helpful, just hit the like or the thumbs up buttons at the below of this video. Let's get started, guys. By opening Facebook page, you go to facebook.com and then you can write all your details in these sections, and then you can click the sign up button. If you guys already have an account with Facebook, just you need to log in with a normal personal profile, and actually inside the personal profile we create our business or the brand. On the top right corner of Facebook you will write your email address, password to log in. So we're actually on a Facebook page right now. When you log in, the first things you need to do to create your page, you come to the create buttons on the right side of the Facebook page, click, and you choose the first category, which is the page. Click on page, and you click on page, it takes you to the create a page for the business page. So you got the option of the business or the brand or community or the public. So because we try to make the business or the brand page, I'll click on get started, and you start writing your details in here. So in here you write your page name, depends what type of business you're going to use. For example, we go for example, if you want to open cafe or the restaurant, you add your restaurant name, we write pizza, and then category, because this is kind of hospitality service, we can go for the cafe or the restaurant option. I'll choose the restaurant option. You can add any street address, which is your location. I'll add Sydney only in here, but you guys, you can add the real address. Sydney, Australia, and then zip code. You write your zip code or the postcode in here, and this part for your business phone number, don't forget to fill it up. And the last section, it would be the do not show my address. This is totally depends on the type of your business, because this is restaurant business, people need to find your location. You need to tick this box, and then when you're done, click on continue button. So this is a new Facebook updated for the business page. In here you have to add your profile picture, where in the next video I'm going to show you how to add your profile picture. We escape this, and on here and also I'll show you how to add your cover photo as well in the next lesson. So we escape this part, and then congratulations guys, and there we go. It was that simple to set up the page for the business or the brand in Facebook page. Once again, to create this page, you need to come to your personal profile page and click on create, and then click on a page, and then you can set up your business or the brand page in here. So guys, we reached the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. If there is any comment, please leave your comment below. Make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, you can hit the likes button as well. I hope to hear from you guys, and I wish you're having a nice day. Bye.